Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Fix Tech. Is your laptop or computer feeling slow lately? Is Windows using too much RAM or memory? If yes, then this video is for you today. I'm going to show you several easy and effective methods to fix high RAM usage in Windows 10 and Windows 11. These tips are beginner friendly and can help improve your PC performance and speed. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, try restarting your computer. Sometimes background applications and temporary files keep running for a long time and continue using RAM unnecessarily. A simple restart clears temporary memory usage and gives your system a fresh start. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus SSK to open Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab and check which applications are using the most memory. If you find apps that you're not currently using, right click on them and click End Task, but make sure not to close important Windows system processes. Now let's improve startup performance. Inside Task Manager, go to the Startup Apps section and disable unnecessary startup programs. These applications automatically start when Windows boots up and consume RAM in the background even when you don't need them. Another important step is removing unwanted software from your computer. I've already created a detailed video on how to uninstall programs properly, so you can check that out on my channel after watching this video. Now let's disable unnecessary background apps. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and turn off background apps that you don't use regularly. This can help reduce RAM usage and improve overall system performance. If the problem still continues, run a virus scan. Sometimes malware or viruses secretly consume system memory and slow down your PC. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a full scan. Next, try updating Windows. Microsoft regularly releases updates that fix bugs, improve stability, and solve memory related issues. Go to Windows Update and install all available updates. Now let's increase virtual memory. Search for Advanced System Settings, open it, then go to Performance Settings. Under the Advanced tab, open Virtual Memory Settings and enable automatic paging file management. This can help Windows manage memory more efficiently. After that, try disabling the sysmin service. Press Windows plus R, type services MSC, and press enter. Find sysmin, right click on it, stop the service, and set the startup type to disabled if your system constantly shows high RAM usage. And finally, if nothing works, consider upgrading your RAM. If your laptop currently has 8 gigabytes RAM, upgrading to 16 gigabytes or more can provide a huge improvement in multitasking and overall performance. That's it. These were some of the best methods to fix high RAM usage in Windows and speed up your laptop or computer. You found this video helpful? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Quick Fix Tech for more computer tips, troubleshooting guides, and Windows fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.